people, so we are at Food Stories and my child is about to try a Dubai Kunafa. So, how is it, Ayush? Show, give it to me. Okay, okay, one bite, sweetheart. One bite. One. Okay, okay, one bite. Yeah, I make it a...
I'll just take one bite.
Yeah, yeah. Just one bite. Okay, it's nice. Basically, it's a bit like pork. And if you were to take a look, the high and mighty of the city, it's quite... keep one for Anviku. Keep one for... Yeah, yeah. I don't like much. So this is how it looks. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.